Hey guys, I'm working on this 17 Grizzly. I'm trying to hook up a automatic reverse light, and this is our light here. I'm going to start by extending the wire off the light, and yeah, I got some flux on here, my heat shrink ready to go. I'm just going to solder that. A little hard time with that one getting the solder running. It did there, but melted my heat shrink. Glue coming into both ends of that. Geez, all sealed up mint. We're going to be mounting the light right here. I'm going to run this wire down into my trunk, and I'll be hooking the power wire up to a constant power off the tail light, and then the ground's going to run up through the bike to the reverse light switch that's located on the transmission. And that'll be it. When you click in reverse, the light will get a ground, and come on. Alright, in order to mount this, is just a little mount that comes with the light. I'm just going to remove this screw to come in the seat. It's a perfect little spot for a light. I put them there lots of times. A little Loctite on the screw so we don't lose our light. Take it a couple of wrenches, 10 mils in this case. Just throw a couple of zip ties on it. Yes, that won't be in the way at all now where it comes through and around. So I got that unplugged, and now I'm going to take my test light and see which one's got constant power. You'll have to turn on the key and make sure your headlight's on. Tail light didn't light up here because it's not plugged in. So it looks like our blue wire is going to be what we're after. Now, if you weren't hooking this up on Yamaha 4-wheeler, you wanted to make it simpler, the red wire could just go right to your battery or any keyed power source. This is just a keyed power source. we're going to use this comeback clip. Okay, so hook the power from this to the blue wire with the Scotch lock. I'm just going to plug my tail light back in here. Okay. Then we got that wire stripped. So now with the ground, the light comes on. Okay, so now we're just going to take that wire. I'm going to take a few things off the bike. I'll show you how to do that. And show you where the switch is from there. So I thought it was going to be simple, that I'd just have to go to this reverse switch and run my wire to that, and when I put it in reverse that the light was going to come on. But the switch actually works opposite. Didn't sound. It takes ground away from this wire when it goes into reverse, as opposed to applying ground. So a basic hookup for a reverse light is just it has constant power or keyed power going to the light at all times. And like I say, this switch would supply your ground when you shift it into reverse. But since I couldn't do that, I was trying to come up with another way. There's two switches here, and I believe they work with the computer to give you your reverse light because of the speed limiter and reverse and stuff. So anyways, I've been frigging with it all morning, and what I come up with is if I had a switch that this could press only when it was in reverse, that'd be set. So I took apart a couple switches here, trying to make a little push button switch for this to push, and then I was just going to rig up a mount in here somehow. Anyways, all that was getting kind of complicated. So I'm going to show you what I come up with. It's pretty sure it's genius. Yeah. I went on YouTube. I was trying to find other people that hooked this up, and there is a kit available for $100 from PowerMad. I think what we got here is going to be way better, and anybody will be able to do this at home on YouTube, and nobody else is putting reverse lights on these basically except for that kit. And even the kit, I watched it about 200 times, and I can't really figure out how it works. I think it works with the computer. It must. Tail light on there? No. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm pretty excited about that. I think that's definitely the ticket. And I got it hooked up to the tail light there, so if your lights aren't on, you're not going to be bumping it or whatever. Take it out of reverse, light goes out. Put it in reverse, light goes on. Automatic backup light on a Yamaha. Yeah. But anyways, that's super simple and a clean little switch. Don't gotta buy a switch or anything. So. If you're looking to put a backup light on your Yamaha, that's the ticket, I think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.